Man, it is a cold one today here in Michigan. Please believe it. Holy God. Like, that wind whipping ain't no joke. Like, look at this shit. It's gotten pretty snowy out today. But today is another boring day, because guess what? I have to freaking close at work today at Honey Baked. I opened and I close. So that means it's a boring vlog day, unless I go in there and with everyone I'm working with, which I'm the only guy, I'm working with all girls, so I could probably do that. So I might stash a couple scare cams here and there today, because we got a lot of coolers that they go in and out of. Scare cam, get ready for it. I think she's pooping. Bah! Yes, I got it. So for the last 2 days, well, ever since I've lived out here, I always get stuck at this train. But yesterday, got off work, got stuck by this train on Van Horn. Now I'm on Allen. This morning, I got stuck by this train on my way into work. Now, again tonight, I'm off of work, and this train, it started moving, and now it came to a complete stop once again. Like, this is ridiculous. And they passed a bill that they're gonna build a overpass over this railroad track, but above there are wires everywhere, and there's like a main power plant over here, so they gotta like relocate all of these wires and all of those, and it's gonna be at least a year and a half by the time they get it built. But this is just complete bullshit. Because I'm just trying to get home, change, go to the gym, get a pump, go back home, eat, shower, and just watch TV. So I got tomorrow off, but I'm gonna go help my sister and brother-in-law move, which you guys will see. But as of right now, this is like making today's clips just shit. Besides scaring Elma, that was pretty hilarious. Remember that? Go back to it. Yeah, that. This by far is the longest train known to man. Like, it stopped and started 5 times since I've been here. And it's like, it gets to the point where you look over there and it's, oh, there isn't a car. Oh, they're flat cars. And then before you know it, 40 cars start coming behind it. Like, all these ones are filled with cars. Because you can see, like, you can catch a glare of them through the little grates. Through the grits. But now through the grates you can see the rims. But yeah. Just like, see, like, oh, it looks like it's almost over. Looks like there's the last car. See if it really is, because the last time I thought that it was a flat car. Oh, it actually might be. What? Oh, snap. Finally, 7:43. I got off work. I got off work at 6:15. I left Walmart and been sitting here since like 6:45. And now we're finally going. Like, wow, that was ridiculous. And all these people just come flying by and cut us all off. It again. This another gym day. Let's get it.